Okay, Rika, let me help you to wind up the plane. Okay, like this. And now you can put it here on the start. Start is written here. Put the plane there. Good. Let's help the plane. It's flying all around. Yes, it's stuck there. Okay.
Nem, Rika jön.
You said it's Rika's turn.
Flying
high. And this is the map of the world. These are the Americas. North America and South America. Let me help you. And this is Africa and Europe.
Honnan kezdődik először, azt mondják.
Well, anywhere. You can put it anywhere. Yes, you can start it over there. Good. Put it somewhere down. Like that. And the plane is flying all around the world. Yeah. It's going to land in North America. Yes. Now it's Rika's turn again. I don't know. And this is where the plane is going to land. Yes, I help you. Look. What a quick plane. Brrr, it's landing. It was flying all over the town. Good. Okay.